G'day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Craft by Tim. Are you guys sick of me doing upgrades for the belt grinder? Great, because I'm going to do another one. So today I've got this cheap lamp, LED lamp from Kmart for $6. So we're going to try and use this to create some kind of method of lighting because it's better and cheaper than running the big lights that had the fluorescent tubes. They're expensive to run, so we're going to try and opt out for something a little bit cheaper, which is a 14 LED little lamp here. And great news, because the topic of today is obviously lighting. It's a wonderful thing that today's sponsor is the sun. By making it so bloody hot outside, I don't even want to go out there. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I first plugged this thing in and then I turned it on. And I was like, wow, that's not very bright. So then I tried to turn it off and it got brighter. And I was like, it's getting brighter. And this isn't it's not super bright, but it's bright enough that I reckon it'll work on me. I don't know why it has the two other functions, but I also kind of like this touch sensor. I don't know about that. It's like, taking off the base, and here we see basically everything that we need. So we have our power inlet, and then we have a bunch of fancy stuff there, and then our cable that runs to the touch sensor on the top, and then we have our two wires going into the LEDs themselves. It's meant to run off 5 volts of electricity. So we need to do some bootleg electronics. Now, we don't need any of this fancy stuff because we just want to have this straight 5 volts. We don't want it to be dimmable. Let's get started with pulling this thing apart. I think I figured out what I need. I just need to basically cut off the USB portion of this cable. And hopefully I'll only have 2 cables inside here. And then I can just desolder these 2 that run straight into the light. I'll install a switch somewhere in there. And what I want to do is I want to get rid of this base, and I basically just want to have this tube somehow be able to spin inside a socket that can actually attach to the grinder itself. There we go. We are pretty well assembled, we just need to put in the switch. So the switch is going to go set up here. So just undo these 2 screws. You'll have to ignore the chicken outside, but woo, after an entire month-ish of waiting, this is finally ready to go, because I finally got one of these. Nice and stretchy. So this is basically just a USB extension cord because I cut this one too short. Gotta make do, we gotta make do. Later. But we now have light. Easy enough to switch it around and stuff like that, and it's actually reasonably bright too, so that means I don't have to use the actual overhead lights anymore. It's a bit creepy and eerie, but yeah, it works out well. I like it. I actually really like this. It's a nice way of doing it, but it means that I can still work relatively easily with this. There you have it. Finally done with this after a good few weeks of working on it, or waiting for parts. The way that I've rigged this up is that it means that I can basically move it around a bit. It also means that there is nothing stopping me from putting it back in table, so that's all good. Now, today is currently Friday for me, and hopefully I'll be able to get this uploaded by tomorrow morning. That would mean that today would be the 2nd of February, and tomorrow would be the 3rd. So today is the first day of the knife show. The Perth Knife Show. If you happen to be in Perth, or Fremantle more specifically, because it's actually being held in Fremantle, I'd strongly recommend it. It's going to be pretty cool, I reckon. I've never been to the Perth Knife Show before. I've never been to any knife show before, but I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to be there tomorrow, aka Sunday, aka the 3rd of February. So if you guys happen to be around the Fremantle prison, there'll be links in the description for more information if you need it. Otherwise, I'm going to be there, so if you happen to run into me, just feel free to say good day. It's nice to mess around with electronics every now and then, even if they don't always work. But this one actually works, so I'm pretty happy with that. That's pretty cool. Remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.